What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yo! Today, guys, we're here again with Tion and Russ Millions. Body. This is the remix though. There's a bunch of artists on it, including Bugzy. A bunch of artists. Big up all the artists on it. I'm never going to waste the time and go through the whole of the artists them. But big up on yourself and G, on know on yourself, because I'm on the song. So big up Tion and Russ Millions for the remix. Why am I not surprised about this remix? Let's go. I'm not surprised about the remix. I'm not surprised because this song is a fucking banger, dog. Up on TikTok, you see, my friend hit him with a cobra. Me say, bombo clock. I want to do it now, but I say, no, I'm not do it. I'm blood that. Make it go. So we are breakdown. So we are pause every 10 seconds. We are breakdown.
English girl named Fiona. Big bad girl named Abiola.
Alright, so remix directed by 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢. You see me? All of the people in it. Big up the people that will take part in the video. Big up on the cell. Let's go! Every 10 seconds pausing. If it's not your thing, go to our next channel or look down on the link below. You see the full song by itself. Right?
Back up, bring it to the owner.
When I'm still up on the roads, could I left? Still trying to my bros on the tech. Fuck that, man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette?
When I hear the rhythm, you know the first thing what come back to my mind? The first thing that thought to my mind was Tion post the like a DM, like a IG DM of him talking to somebody and a vibe to the rhythm without no lyrics, you know. So when I'm gonna million savings. That's how I do. But this is how artists actually make them song. Most artists when don't write song, this is how they make them song. Like they meds it to the rhythm and get that, you know. So this, as it starts, it just bring me back to that.
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. Body shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer. Vida loca.
Bomba clad. Hit him with the cobra now. Hit him with the cobra.
As a cat never sober. Python, hit him with a cobra. Free up double Casanova. Free my bad man persona.
Bad man. Yo. If you hear the song and don't dance, you're a hater. If you hear the song and don't dance, you're a hater, dog. Like, look, Bugzy, big up myself, Bugzy.
Man alone can control her. Sorry, your sis got bent over. Pushing my hot tech and under.
Have you seen the state of her body?
Alright, so obviously, I know how the chorus go, so I'm not going to react to the chorus. I'm not going to react to them mute song. So I'm jumping and say, hey, have you seen the state of our body? So, make us see our body look. If
I beat it, I ain't wearing a Johnny Adiola. Wanna roll with a geezer. You see me on the lifestyle, sweetheart.
You hear that?
Have you seen the state of her body? If I beat it, I ain't wearing a Johnny Adiola.
Yeah, yo, you see how she look? You see how she look? If me a fuck this, me a go bareback. Me nah wear no protection. She have to breed. That's what the boss I say. Yo, bumper clad, no joke. Breeding. Breedings.
I wanna roll with a geezer. You see me on the lifestyle, sweetheart. Actually, I don't give a shit. I'm a rapper now, might as well live in it.
I'm confident with it. I wish rapper this. What name? Is this Arrdee? I'm confident with it.
Woke up in my hotel bill in it. You can do what you like, darling, Arrdee, don't give a F. Still get brain while I smoke cigarettes. White boy.
Yeah, cigarette in my smoke. Cigarette make a coffee now. I think go. Yeah, him still I get headers while I'm smoking cigarettes. He don't know say it's a rock star life the boss I live. Boss I tell you.
The wasted coke get wet, but my big brown in love roll with a zest. I'm a English boy, but I'm so bloody lit. Yo, Tizzy my killie, I'm litty and burst, and nobody comes silly, pull up to.
Fucking hell, he just went off there, mate. He just went fucking off. I missed it. Where did he go?
I don't give a shit. I'm a rapper now, might as well live in it. You smoke up in my hotel bill in it. You can do what you like, darling, Arrdee, don't give a F.
Yo, something that's wrong. I'm just missed the whole let's go again.
Brain while I smoke cigarettes. White boy wasted coke get wet, but my big brown in love roll with a zest. I'm a English boy, but I'm so bloody lit. Yo.
I'm an English boy, so I'm so bloody lit. So I must say, actually, I'm rolling them brown in too. Him rolling him gun. In the left him gun. Him rolling him gun. Because you don't know protection of the key.
𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡, I'm litty and burst, and everybody pull up to the AP. Cause we gonna get busy, the king of my city for really.
Man, I'm still up on the
King of City for really. I'm waiting to hear what Bugzy have to say on that tune, yeah? No joke. Bugzy, 1 year, 8 bar.
bros to the left. Still chatting to my bros on the tech. Fuck that, man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette?
English girl named Fivio.
This have to be the song of the year so far. To me, this have to be the English song of the year so far. The UK song of the year so far are this for me. So if I'm wrong, well, that is just my opinion. I'm sure everybody has their favorite, but this to me are the baddest song for the year so far.
Now, African girl 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡. Body shape like cola. Back up, here come closer.
Don't come too close, shit.
Who is this now? Who is this guy? I don't know. I don't know these them name. I don't know them by name. So tell me who.
Take Keisha, should I take Becky? Ross, Tion, Wayne both said I don't know. I swear Big A should be sponsored by Nike. He's got so much tech when he's trying to score goals.
He's bad. He's bad. Man say, yo, wish I'm if it take. Tion and Russ said them don't know. Like, that's like anyone better. Anyone.
Bro, back that pole. If you know, then you know. E1, I'm bringing it back. Drop a gun, link on, no one's be slapped. I'm in.
E1, I'm bringing it back. Drop a gun, lean. You know, the unity in the UK music nowadays, I love it, dog. Obviously, there's some people beefing same or some people dropping words or shots. But the unity, pan and all, I like it, dog. I like it, I love
Seat
it.
with a browning yak, with the biggest the backs and the shoulder tap. Length, they give us the biggest the chat, but live in the flesh didn't see no hands. Anything green get bunnies a cap card.
Anything green get bunnies a cap. Explain that part there for me. Anything green get bunnies a cap. I don't understand why I'm saying this.
No one in 3 times 3's been bland for fashion.
Oh, 3 times 3 E1. Oh, are them that 3 times 3 E1? Are them? Okay.
You don't wanna get left
Here come
in a
Bugzy!
mess. Gunshot from the right and the left. 50 G's will pay for your life. Get
Nah, man. On know some me rate Bugzy. So on know some me can listen to that part at one time. Let's go
See
again.
no hands. Anything green get bunnies a cap card. No one in 3 times 3's been bland for fashion.
So that's 3 times 3. I the first one hear about them. Big up them. Bugzy me G, jump in with it now. Here I
You
go.
don't wanna get left in a mess. Gunshot from the right and the left. 50 G's will pay for your life. Get blazed like Cali with no cigarette.
You don't want to get left, brother. You don't want to get left in a mess, brother. Gunshot from the left to the right, from left and right. So a 2 shooter at minimum I shoot in a dog. 2 shooter at minimum I shoot in a brother. You see me? 50 G can't pay for your life in a dog. You can't pay with nothing kill you, no. We have to kill your bumbo clot. You have to dead. Yeah?
Yeah. English girl named Fiona. Straight Hennessy with no cola. No man since 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡. Holds on to the super soaker.
Him tell her before, him paint picture with words. And at that time, him never published one book.
To be godlike, made a clean-hearted, walk free. It's ironic cause he got wetted for spilling his drink on me.
What?
It's ironic cause he got wetted for spilling his drink on me. Resuscitation just to help him breathe. Man drown when it's an internal bleed.
Bugzy is grimy as fuck, bro. Bugzy is grimy as fuck. No joke. Bugzy is too grimy.
I don't care for your nickname or your last name. Anyone can get R.
Man, I'm still up on the roads to the left. Still chatting to my bros on the tech.
Man, I say, yo, me not care but your nickname or your last name. Cause you have some people because them have a infamous last name where them friend them or no them family members done shit in the past. Pussy, you will still get RIP. That is what Bugzy is saying. Not me. But that's true, you can still get RIP.
Fuck that, man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette?
Smoke cigarette.
English girl named Fivio now. African girl 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡.
So who is left to forward now? Is it okay.
Body shape like cola. Back up, here come closer.
Hold up. I think I know it. I don't like a tongue girl, talk a little low.
Whoa, American rappers on this. American rapper is on this. That song you big, you know, dog? That song you big, you fuck the rhythm, the lyrics, the video, every fucking thing bad about it.
Nigga, you said you got it, now you gotta show her. Shorty gon' suck me up until it's over. She like a little pretzel, you go fold her. She got the 20 inches with the closure,
So far, left it in the comment section. Which one better? The original or the remix? Left in the comment section, let me know, please. Me not say nothing. Just let me know.
Yeah, 808. Yeah. No, I don't play no games. I don't say nothing, I don't play no names. If man's not hot, then man's not sane. If man's get boomed, then I get blamed.
The ad-libs them in the background, I love them too. Boom! Yo. The unity, I love it, man. I can't stop saying the unity.
I took a perky, I'm out of my brain. I ain't never stepping out of my lane. Man, I did a lot of shit, man. I'm proud of my name.
𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗓𝗓.
See, you look at dance, something to do a while ago, Russ. So that was all that. Fivio foreign. Okay. Dark or no.
That shot specialist, broke up the pum pum, leave that wet. Bad bees in love with a set, no stress, get bread, and we set them chairs, no meds, we flex on the ox, get vexed, no.
Yo, the man never go hard, bro. No joke. No joke.
Hold on, them. Boom. Me and E just stepped on scene. SOS for anti-green. AFG is an anti-team. I don't know about them, got rams on me.
This is like the deep drill shit now where I'm not ready to understand. This is like the deep drill shit now where me understand it, but the terminology I beat me kind of bad. Yeah, as
I see one of them, I see freeze. I make the hunting beat.
I see one of them, I see threes.
Don't know about them, got rams on me. I see one of them, I see freeze.
I see one of them, I see threes.
I make the hunting beat. Kneesy stuck in the streets. Shout out my 3 times freeze.
Touch my watch, man, must be crazy. Had a roll lead and I switched to the AP, but
My 3 times freeze.
touch my watch, man, must be crazy. Had a roll lead and I switched to the AP, but it's like an earthquake, sign like Haiti. She knows me, bitch, she's calling me baby. 20.
Hold on, man. Wait, man.
3 hours had them bring that back. A Rolex can't phase me. Time be money, so bitch can't pay me. Swing both ways, so bring your legs. Jiggy.
Ah, shit. Yo. Swing both ways, so bring your ladies. That part that confused me, fuck. I know what swing both ways mean, but that part that confused because left it.
Everybody wanna come get jiggy with it. I ain't taking wax, but you know what I'm strapped. With it, yeah, know me, I'm bitty with it. Can't compare when you talk about stacks.
This is a girl, right? This is a girl, right? I'm sure this is a girl. Bunny. What's your name, Bunny?
100K when I pay my tax. Bend it, shawty wanna make it black. Bend it, shawty wanna arch her back.
Got lean, get shot for the backseat. 2 man pull up and burn up the backseat.
If it's not a girl, I'm sorry. But you sound like a girl. So if it's not a girl, I'm sorry. But you sound like a girl, you see me? You sound like a girl.
He swing, get ying up badly. Good dick, met gal scream pappy. She holds my wappy, she makes me happy. You know I'm tappy, I chat not cappy. I rub my mashy, I'm too catty.
Every artist bring them A game. Panda one. Them know them have to do it. Them know them have to bring them A game. If not, then don't jump on the beat.
Met man shake no Harlem. Gassed up 300 no Spartan. I beg man pardon. Dot blasting. Might get blipped while you 2-step dancing. I do no talking. The gal I'm clarting.
I would have to say a second wave of artists on the remix also. I would have to see a second wave of artists on this remix. Make it Tion and Russ. Make it a thing where wanna keep it like. Oh, remember the song Touch It, Bring It Back. That Busta Rhymes song there. How much artists did they on it after so many times? I would love to see it on this.
Red card them shots, no warning. When I see red, I'm
Man, I
charging.
still up on the roads, could have left. Still chatting to my bros on the tech. Fuck that, man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette?
Me love it. Me love this song. So be the African.
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. Body shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer.
It's gone viral on TikTok also. The trend is so vast. Like it's crazy on TikTok. It's mad on TikTok. Guys, me love that. But I was a bit confused about the person in the orange jacket. If it's a girl or a boy. I think it's a girl. I think it's a girl. Guys, this is how we're going to end the video. I love it. If you don't like the reaction and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. If you're new, respect to the original subscriber them. Big up the viewers them that's here and not subbed. Big up on yourself. I really appreciate you to see me. Big up on yourself. You see me? But yeah, man. You're outside. Now the girl them outside. You see it? Yo. Bad song. Out.